a bit noisy and grindy. It's wobbling from side to side. That might be just because of the one wheel, which is not quite centered well. I'll just pick it up so I can show that wheel as it's running. Okay, that pair of wheels running okay, but the left hand wheel on there, so it's the wheel that's on the gearbox, is just wobbling a little bit. Running in reverse, there was a little catch, it was catching just a little somewhere. I've not been able to solve that. Running forwards it is smoother, but I haven't got reverse and switch at the moment, so oops. I'm trying to put it on the rolling road live. Oh dear. There we are, positioned on the rolling road. Much smoother running forwards. And if I lift it off the rolling road, it doesn't sound bad at all. Oh, it does, it rattles. But it, you know, it's rattling freely.